Hey, remember me? Yeah, it's been a little while since I've even fished or made a video. And today I'm on the California Delta and I launched. It's like almost like 5 o'clock right now. High tide's at 7, sun goes down at 7:45, but it's a full moon. So hoping to get some top water. I'm going to crank some wall right now. Hopefully get on some fish, man. It feels really good to be back on the water. Let's see if I can't get some fish. It feels like forever since I've been in the kayak or even fished. It's only really been a week, but I think it's the longest I've not fished in a long time, even when I took my so-called break. Just had some family in town and was doing some other activities like starting riding my mountain bike again and trying to get back into ski shape for the season because my hip is cleared up. But we've actually had kind of a cold spell the last couple of days in Northern California. I'm actually expecting the bite to be kind of tough, even though it is a full moon tonight. The water temp has dropped, well, 5 degrees since the last time I was here. And the air temp has dropped close to 20 on some days. So instead of 100 degrees, it's 80 degrees. So we'll see how that affects the bite. Hopefully not too much. Hopefully I can catch something. Feels like forever. Nice. Skunk's out of the boat. Little fish. Yay, no skunk. Boy, he barely got that on the first hook. Come here. See you later. No skunk. I'm back. Well, not really. Let's throw a Senko back into that heavy cover. Fish. Not a great one, but not a horrible one. These guys just fight better here. Better fighters on this part of the Delta. I will take that fish all day long. At least they're eating. There you go, little chunky guy. I don't know, 10 inches maybe? Take them, right? Healthy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. That's a fish. See, sometimes that works. Little guy. But what are you gonna do? He's not happy because the way he's hooked. Oh. Here we go. Oh, there's a little guy. Crankbait. Maybe no big fish again. Look at that. That's the best fish of the day. I didn't even know I had a fish, ladies and gentlemen. That's a decent fish. I will take it. Glad I started throwing that Cinco back there. This is the best fish I've caught out of here in a long time. Oh, what happened to you, buddy? Look at that. Not bad. Thanks. Cheers. That's a fish. A little one. Came off. That's a fish. That's a decent fish. It's not huge, but like I said, it's better than the ones over there. That's for sure. There you go. All right, now we're getting some numbers in. No size, really. Boy, he was really tucked up against that wall. All right, there's another fish. Little guy. They're healthy though, that's for sure. That's a fish. There's a fish in there. Another little guy. Boy, you really wanted that, didn't you? As I hear other things jumping in the water. A little fish. Another little guy. Go, buddy! It doesn't feel like they're not hitting it, like it almost feels like they're taking and running with it. And then I can feel them tug on the line. And there's so much vegetation in here, and I'm using a light weight for this wacky rig. It's kind of like, oh, is that just grass? Fish! Little fish. After all that. Stop. Not sure if you can see it, but there's bait busted all over the place. And I don't know if I've ever gotten this on video. I've said it on camera, but I think it always gets lost on the editing floor. When I see that, I don't get excited. I actually am like, crap. There was something big that just took something down out there. But typically when there's live bait like this, they're not scattering. They're literally just jumping. And it just means there's plenty of bait around. And attracting a fish with an artificial compared to what they can have for like what they typically have is difficult. And even for the crankbait that I have tied on right now, you can see how small that bait is. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can. So that doesn't excite me ever. Some people have different opinions on this stuff. I personally think that the live bait will always be more attractive to a fish than tossing around a synthetic or a plastic lure or whatever you want to call them, or artificial. That was the word I was looking for. Oh, that's a fish. That feels like a... Come on. Don't you dare come off. He's off. Shit. That was a good fish. Son of a gun. That's the hazard of throwing back into that little area. Shoot. Boy, he hit that hard. And the boat had to pass at that exact time. Well, definitely not the way that I wanted to end the night. I'm going to keep throwing top water in a Senko, but the light's going to start going low. I wanted to do the outro now. Hopefully I'll be doing some different kind of fishing, maybe some bank fishing, some tournament fishing off a boat. I don't know. I am trying to get back into the KBF stuff, but I've got a sick dog at home and can't do the overnights and stuff like that, so no one to take care of him except me. So just want to let you guys know that that's pretty much why I fish the times that I fish. Anyway, thanks for watching these things. Please like and comment and share. Thanks for all the support. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.
They say that rock shit doesn't rock anymore. They say the whole game done with pop, so I'm back in his zone. We drinking gin till we pass out and fall on the floor. Is that your bitch? Cause she tell me she ready to go.